Once again, hello everyone. Welcome to the third lecture for the topic economic and non-economic activity. So before concluding this topic, I would just like to differentiate between economic and non-economic activities. So in the left hand side, I have taken some factors that is for the basis for comparison, and as you can see, economic activity and non-economic activity, I have made it in two columns. So in terms of motive, when you say economic activity is economic, that is to earn money, non-economic activity is social or psychological, that is out of love, affection. Then money measurement, if you say in economic activity, every activity that you perform is measured in monetary terms, and non-economic activity, it is not measured in monetary terms. Therefore I have written as money measurement. And then approach is economic activity is pragmatic, non-economic is idealistic. Then results, economic activity, it is definitely creation of wealth and assets, and non-economic activity is self-satisfaction and happiness. So income, national income, economic activity adds value to national income definitely, since it is related to money only, and non-economic activity, since it is not related to money, so it does not affect national income. Okay. So with this I would like to conclude, like economic activity refers to human activity related to production and consumption of goods and services for economic gain, and non-economic activity is any activity which is performed gladly with the aim of providing services to others without any regard to monetary gain. So that's it. I hope this video will be helpful for you to have an idea of what is economic and non-economic activity. So thank you everyone.